Dear students, a garden is to be laid out in the rectangular area and protected by the wire fencing. What is the largest possible area of the fencing garden with the 40 meters? This is a perimeter. This is the largest possible area of the fencing garden with 40 meters. What is a garden is to laid out of the garden. Suppose this garden, like this garden, this length is x, breadth is y. Let solution, let x comma y be the length and breadth of the rectangle. Next is the parameter, is 40 meters. Perimeter of the rectangular is equal to 20 meters, 40 meters, 2 into x plus y equal to 40, 2 1 to 20, x plus y equal to 20, y is equal to 20 minus x, equation 1. Area of rectangular. Area of the rectangle A is equal to L cross B. A is equal to L is x into y. A of x equal to it donated area equal A of x. This is x into y value is y minus 20 from equation 1. A of x equal to 20 minus x from equation 1. 20x minus x square. A of x equal to 20, differential equation 20 into minus 2x. Differential with respect to a dash x equal to 20 minus 2x. A double, again derivative. A double dash equal to minus 2 to 0 minus 2 into x 2. Now let a dash x equal to 0 equal to a dash x, this value 20 minus 2x equal to 0, 2x equal to 20, 2 1 are 2, x equal to 10. A double dash x equal to minus 2 less than 0. A of x is a maximum at x equal to 10. At x equal to 10, now a double dash x equal to minus 2. When x equal to 10 implies a dash of 10 equal to minus 2 less than 0. F of x is a maximum at x equal to 10. At x equal to 10. A of x equal to at x equal to 10 in equation 1. Y is equal to 20 minus 10. From equation 1, y is equal to 20 minus x. Y is equal to 10. The largest area area equal to x comma y. 10 into 10 equal to 100 centimeters square. Therefore, largest possible area of the rectangular equal to 100 centimeters square. Dear students, fifth problem. Rectangular page is containing 24 centimeter squares of print. The margin at the top and bottom of the page are 1 centimeters and margin at the other sides of the page is 1 centimeters. What should be the dimension of the page so that the area of the page used minimum? This is already the rectangular page is printed 24 centimeters and top and bottom of the page is 1.5 centimeter. Other sides and margin at the other sides is 1 centimeter. Other sides. What it should be? Dimension of the page should be total page length and bottom. Solution is this is a rectangular page. This page, rectangular page, this is another print, the print area. This print area xy equal to 24. Xy equal to 24. This length is x. This length is x. Top and bottom, this breadth is y. This print area is 24. The rectangular page is contain 24 centimeter square printed. This is a printed area. This is a next, the margin at the top and bottom 1.5. This 1.5. This 1.5. Top and bottom. This top is 1.5 margin, but bottom is 1.5. Next, the margin of other sides, this sides 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter. This is a 1 centimeter. Other sides, this is 1 centimeter. This margin, this print area. This print area is 20 centimeter squares. The rectangular page is to contain 24 centimeters. This area. This top and bottom is 1.5. This other sides, this sides 1 centimeter, 1 centimeters. This centimeters, this 1 centimeters. Now, this length is 1 plus x plus 1, x plus 2. This length. 1.5 plus y plus 1.5. This area y plus 3. 1.5 plus 1.5 y. This is a given data. This is a page. This is a page. This page is the printed area. This printed area. The top is 1.5 and bottom is 1.5. Other side margin is 1. This length is x. This breadth is y. This area is xy equal 24. The total length is x plus 1 plus 1 to x plus 2 total length. Next, this total breadth y plus 3. 1.5 plus y plus 1.5 y plus 3. This is a given for given data. Now let x comma y be the length and breadth of the printed of the rectangle. Area of print equal to xy equal to 24, y is equal to 24 minus by x, equation 1. Y is equal to 24 by x. Length of the page, with margin equal to x plus 1 plus 1 equal to x plus 2. Breadth of the page margin equal to 5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 equal to 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Area of the rectangle equal to A is equal to L into D. A is equal to L value, this x plus 2, this B, y plus 3, this A of x equal to, let A of x equal to x into y, x into plus 3x plus 2 into y, 2 into 3, 6 equal to A of x equal to x into y value is 20 by x plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into 20 is it 24 by x plus 3x plus 2 into 24 by x plus 6. X cancel. 3x plus this is 48 by x, 24 6 30. This is A of x. Differential with respect to x. A dash x equal to 3 plus 48. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Constant is 0. A of x equal to 3 minus 48 by x square. A double dash x equal to 3 0 constant minus 48 into minus 2 by x cube. This is equal to 48 6 96 minus 5 plus 6 x cube. A double dash x. Let A dash x equal to 0. A dash equal to 0 is value is A dash x 3 minus 48 by x square equal to 0. 3 equal to 48 by x square. 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 6 16. X, this 1 equal to 16 by x square. X square equal to 16, x equal to plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. This x greater than 0 implies x equal to 4. Otherwise, x equal to minus 4 does not. It is not possible. Not possible. Not possible. F double dash x equal to 96 by x cube. When x equal to 4 implies f double dash 4 equal to 96 by x cube. This 4 whole cube is greater than f of x is a minimum at x equal to 4. At x equal to 4. X equal to at x equal to 4 in equation 1, y is equal to 24 by 4. Y is equal to 4 1 ja 4 6 ja. Y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. Next, length of the page equal to x plus 2 equal to y x equal to 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6 centimeter. Breadth of the page equal to y plus 3 equal 6 plus 3, breadth is 6, equal to 9 centimeters. Next, the minimum area of the page equal to 6 into 9 equal to 54 centimeters. 54 centimeters. Next one, sixth problem. A farmer plans to fence a rectangular pasture adjacent to a river. The pasture must be containing 1,80,000. This is a 1,80,000 square meters. Order to provide enough the gas tube for years. Now fencing is needed along the river. What is the length of the minimum need the fencing material? This is plan. Farmer plan is that 1,80,000. Solution is, this is a river. This is a river. This field, this is x, y. The river side not fencing. These three sides fencing. Let x comma y be the length and breadth of the rectangular postage. Given that xy equal to 1,80,000, y is equal to 1,80,000 by x. Now the perimeter of the rectangular is perimeter P equal to 2x plus y. This need not be fencing reverse side. Need not be fencing reverse side. This need not be fencing reverse side. This is 2x plus y equal to 0. This 2x plus y, since the fencing, the reverse side need not be P 2x. This y equal to P is equal to 2x into y value is 1,80,000 by x. This P of x dash equal to 2 into minus 1 by x derivative 1,80,000 by x square. P double dash x equal to 2 into minus 8 lakhs by minus this 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube. 2 by now P double dash x equal to 3,60,000 by x cube. When let P dash x equal to 0, 2 into minus 1,80,000 by x square equal to 0. 2 equal to 1,80,000 by x square. 2 1 ja 2 9 ja 3 zeros 90,000. Yes, this x square equal to x equal to plus or minus 300. X greater than, that is x greater than 0 implies x equal to 300 and x equal to not equal minus 300. It is not possible. Not possible. This when x equal to 300 implies P double dash 300 equal to 3,60,000 by 300 whole cube greater than 0. It is P of x is a minimum at x equal to 300. Now x equal to 300 in equation form, y is equal to 1,80,000 by x. Y is equal to 1,80,000 by 300. 3 0 0 2 0 cancel. 3 600. Y is equal to 600 meters. 600 meters. X equal to 300. X length of the material. X equal to 300. Y is equal to 600. Therefore, length of the minimum needed fencing material equal to 2x plus y. 2x plus y. 2 into 300 plus y value is 600 equal to 3 just 6. 0 plus 600 equal to 1200 centimeters. Dear students, seventh problem. Find the dimension of the rectangular with the maximum area then can be described in the circle of radius 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. This circle. This is the origin. This x-axis, this y-axis, this y dash, this origin, this radius or this point theta, p of r cos theta or sin theta. Solution is let the point on the circle p of r cos theta or sin theta. Radius r equal to 10, x equal to r, x equal to 10 cos theta, y equal to 10 sin theta. Length of the rectangle equal to 2x. This is a rectangular inscribed. This is x, y. Length of the rectangular is 2x equal 2 into 10 cos theta equal to 20 cos theta. The length of the rectangular. They inscribed this. Next, breadth of the rectangle equal to 5. 2 into 10 sin theta equal 20 sin theta. 20 sin theta. Area of the rectangle equal to L into B. L value is this L 220 cos theta. This is B 20 sin theta. This is 20 into 20 400 sin theta into cos theta equal to 200 convert into 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2a formula 200 into sin 2a theta. This is a of theta. Differential with respect to theta. A dash theta equal to 200 into sin theta derivative cos 2 theta and inner derivative 2 equal to 400 2 into 200 400 cos 2 theta. F double dash theta equal to F dash. This is A dash theta. A dash theta. Now F double dash theta equal to 400 into cos 2 theta derivative minus sin 2 theta into 2 inner 2 theta inner derivative 2 equal to minus 800 sin 2 theta. This is a for dash theta. For now, for minimum or maximum, let a dash theta equal to 0. A dash theta value is 400 cos 2 theta equal to 0. This value is becomes to 0 by something 0. Cos 2 theta equal to 0. Where 0 value in terms of cos 2 theta equal to cos 5 by 2. 2 theta equal to 5 by 2. Theta equal to 5 by 4. Theta equal to 5 by 4. Now, theta equal to 5 by 4. Theta equal to 5 by when theta equal to 5 by 4, substitution a double dash of 5 by 4 equal to minus 800 sin of 2 into 5 by 4. This 2 1 2 2 minus 800 into sin of 5 by 2. Sin pi by 2 value is minus 800 is sin pi by 2 value 1. This a double dash pi by 4 equal to minus 800. This is less than 0. Is less than 0. That is a of x is a maximum. Yet x equal to 5 by 4. A of x is a maximum at x equal to 5 by 4. Length of the rectangular equal to 20 cos of theta. Cos of theta. Equal to theta is equal to at theta equal to 5 by 4. Theta equal to cos of 20 into cos of 5 by 4 equal to cos of 20 into cos of 5 by 4 1 by root 2. 10 into 2 by root 2. 10 into root 2 whole square by root 2. 10 root 2. Next, breadth of the rectangle equal to 20 sin theta. 20 into sin of 5 by 4 equal to 20 into sin of 5 by 4 is value is root 2 equal to 20 into 10 into 2 by root 2 equal to 10 into root 2 whole square by root 2 equal to 10 root 2. Therefore, the dimensions of the rectangular equal or rectangle or 10 root 2 comma 10 root 2. Okay, students, 8th problem. Prove that among all rectangles of the given perimeter, the square as the maximum area. Solution: maximum area. The rectangle becomes 2 square and length equal to breadth. Let x comma y be the length and breadth of the rectangle. Next, perimeter. The perimeter of the rectangular angle P is equal to 2 into x plus y. Perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into x plus y. P is equal to 2x plus 2y. This term outside, 2y equal to p minus 2x. Y is equal to p minus 2x by 2. 2 outside. This is equation 1. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle equal to A into A equal to L cross B. A equal to xy. A is equal to x into p minus 2x by 2. Now, A of x equal to px minus 2x square by 2. This differential with respect to x on both sides. A dash x equal to p into 1 minus 2 into x square derivative 2x by 2 equal p minus 4x by 2. P minus 2x. This is a dash x. Again, differential with respect to x on both sides. Equal 0. P constant 0 minus 4 into 1 by 2. A dash x equal to minus 4 by 2. A dash x equal to minus 2. Now, for minimum or maximum, let A dash x equal to 0. A dash x equal to 0. A dash x equal to the 0. P minus 4x by 2 equal to 0. P minus 4x by 2 equal to 0. P is equal to 4x by 2. 2 outside, x equal to p by 4. When x equal to p by 4 implies a double dash x equal to minus 2 less than 0. A of x is a less than 0. This is less than 0. Maximum at a x equal to pi by 4. X equal to pi by 4 in equation 1. Phi is equal to p minus 2x by 2 equal to p minus 2 into pi by p by 4. P by 4. P minus 4x by 2 equal to 0. 2 outside. P minus 4x equal to 0. 4x equal to p. X equal to p by 4. When x equal to p by 4 implies a double dash x equal to minus 2 less than 0. This a of x is a maximum at x equal to pi by 4. X equal to pi by 4 in equation 1. y is equal to 2x minus p by p minus 2x by 2. Y is equal to p into 2 into p by 4. 4x by 2 equal to 0. P minus 4x, these two outside 0. 4x equal to p is equal to 4x. X equal to p by 4. This x equal to, when x equal to p by 4 implies a double dash x equal to minus 2 less than 0. A of x is a maximum at x equal to p by 4 is less than 0. Less than 0 is maximum, greater than 0 minimum. X equal to p by 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 is y is equal to 2x minus this p minus 2x by 2. Y is equal to p minus 2 into p by 4 by 2. Y is equal to p minus p by 2 by 2. 2p minus p by 4 p by 4 y value. X value is p by 4. X equal to y, since length equal to breadth, since the rectangle is a square when the area is maximum. Find the dimension of the rectangle with maximum area that can be inscribed in a circle of radius. This is a circle. Inscribe the rectangle. This is x-axis. This is a y-axis. This circle. This x-axis, this y-axis, x dash, y dash. This is the origin, 0, 0. This inscribe the rectangle. This x, y. This point of r cos theta, r sin theta. This line radius r theta. This inscribe the circle. Let the point on the circle and radius are equal to 10. The point P of r cos theta, r sin theta. The length x equal to r tan cos theta, then tan y equal to tan sin theta. The length, this is a length is x plus x, 2x. The breadth is y plus y, 2y. The length of the rectangle equal to 2x. 2 into x tan cos theta equal to 20 cos theta. Breadth of the rectangle 2y. This y plus y, 2y breadth. 2 into tan sin theta equal to 20 sin theta. 20 sin theta. Next, now area of the rectangle equal capital A equal to L cross B. This length, this is L, this is B. A of x equal to L value is 20 cos theta, 20 sin theta equal to 400 sin theta into cos theta. This is 200 into 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to 200 into sin 2 theta. This is A of x. Differentiation with respect to x on both sides. A of x equal to 200 sin theta derivative cos 2 theta, inner derivative 2 equal to 2 into 200, 400 cos 2 theta. This is A dash x. Again derivative A double dash x equal to 400 minus cos theta derivative is minus sin 2 theta into 2 equal to minus 800 sin 2 theta. A double dash x. Now for minimum or maximum, let A dash theta equal 0. A dash theta equal to is 400 cos 2 theta equal to 0. This term is outside. Cos 2 theta equal to 0. Cos 2 theta equal to cos pi by 2. 2 theta equal to pi by 2. Theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to when theta equal to pi by 4 implies A double dash theta equal to value is minus 800 sin 2 theta. A double dash pi by 4 equal minus 800 sin of 2 into pi by 4. 2 1 2 2 equal minus 800 sin of pi by 2 equal to minus 800 into 1. A double dash pi by 4 equal to minus 800 less than 0. A of theta is a maximum at theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to 5 by 4 maximum. Length of the rectangle equal to length of the rectangle equal to 20 into cos of theta equal to 20 into cos of 5 by 4. 20 into 1 by root 2. 10 into 2 by root 2. 10 into root 2 whole square by root 2 equal 10 root 2. Breadth of the rectangle equal to 20 sin theta. 20 into sin of 5 by 4 equal to 5 by 4 20 into 1 by root 2. 10 into root 2 whole square by root 2 equal 10 into root 2. Then the dimensions of the rectangle are 10 by root 2 comma 10 by root 2. Questions. 8th problem. Prove that among all the rectangles of the given parameter, the square has the maximum area. The rectangular is becomes to square. Solution. Let x comma y be the length and breadth of the rectangle. This is a square. This is a x y. This become the squares. This x comma y be the length and breadth of the rectangular. Yes. Parameter of the rectangle and is p is equal to 2 into x plus y. The parameter of rectangle 2 into x plus y. P is equal to 2x plus 2y. 2y equal to this term p minus 2x. Y is equal to p minus 2x by 2. Equation 1. Area of the rectangle capital A equal to L cross B. A equal to L is x y equal to x into y p minus 2x by 2. A of x equal to let A equal to A of x px minus 2x square by 2. Differentiation on both sides with respect to x. A dash x equal to p into x derivative 1 minus 2 into x square derivative 2x by 2. A dash x equal to p minus 4x by 2. Again differentiate with respect to x. Double dash x constant 0 minus 4 into 1 by 2. A double dash x equal to minus 4 by 2 equal to A double dash x minus 2. Now for minimum or maximum, let A dash x equal to 0. A dash x value is this. P minus 4x by 2 equal to 0. Go outside. P is minus 4x equal to 0. P equal to 4x. X equal to P by 4. X equal to P by 4. When x equal to P by 4, A double dash x equal to minus 2. A double dash P by 4 equal to minus 2 less than 0. A of x is maximum, less than 0 into maximum at x equal to P by 4. P by 4. Now at x equal to P by 4 in equation 1, y is equal to P minus 2 into P by 4 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. P minus P by 2 by 2. 2P minus P by 4 equal to P by 4 by 1. X equal to P by 4. X equal to P by 4, Y equal to P by. There, X equal to Y. is a p by 4. The length equal to breadth. Since the length equal to breadth, this length equal to breadth. Therefore, the rectangle is a square when the area is maximum. Area is maximum.